Yo, what's poppin', everybody? It's your boy John, aka Prince Jonas, and as you can see, I'm here to show you guys my cool shower head that everyone's been hitting me up about. And it's a 16-inch LED all chrome shower head. I purchased the extension along with it, and the extension, I believe it was about $25. Purchased from eBay, and I purchased the shower head from eBay as well for $54. And as you can see, it looks amazing. Feels amazing. And see if I can get a little floor view. That thing's sexy, boy. Look at that. Ooh, that thing's sexy, boy. But yeah, I think I still have the original shower head when I first moved in. It's all down here. There you go. And as you can see, this is definitely a big difference from this here to that right there. But yeah, man, very happy purchase. And for now, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys the shower head and turn the water on. If this thing will focus. And it does change color. The blue means the water is cold. And now the water is warm. And now the water should be hot. Y'all feel that? Y'all feel that? But yeah, I'm going to turn the lights off for you guys so you guys can see it when it's dark. It gives off that rainfall type of effect. So yeah, man, there you have it. Like I said, it's a 16-inch LED chrome shower head. I'll leave the links in the description below so you guys can check it out. If you guys like this video, you like this product, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys want to share this video, you're more than welcome to share this video with anyone. And if you have any comments, of course, leave them below. And definitely hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to go ahead and post some more dope upgrades that I got in the crib. And yeah, for now, I think we out, man. We out this thing. Peace out.